Repeat this affirmation for a positive and productive week. I am confident, energized, and motivated. I have huge plans for my life, and right now is the best time to act upon it. I am holding in my mind such a powerful and productive vision for my week. I release myself of busy work, and I focus only on the things that move my life and my business forward. I give myself grace and space to take care of myself, because sometimes the most productive thing I can do is take care of me. Taking care of my physical and my mental health is more productive than just being busy. I am saying hell yes to everything that is good for me this week, and absolutely not to anything that isn't. No is a complete sentence. I'm finding it easier and easier to say no, and honoring my boundaries is really paying off. This week is full of infinite possibilities and opportunities. I'm showing up as the version of myself that gets what needs to be done, done. That is who is running the show. My time is now. This week is already great.